Welcome to the Kingston Brass Installation channel. In this video, we will be going over how to replace diverter for the KS3795 PLBS. Additional model numbers that may apply will be listed in the video description below. Before we start, you are going to need an adjustable wrench, needle nose pliers, 12mm Allen wrench, a basin wrench, and diverter part, KSRP1811D. Next, make sure to shut off both supply line. From below the sink, loosen water supply lines from the faucets with basin wrench. Remove faucet by loosening mounting nuts. Next, carefully lift faucet from above. Then loosen spray hose with an adjustable wrench and disconnect it from faucet. Next, remove the diverter housing by loosening it with an adjustable wrench. Loosen diverter using a 12mm Allen wrench. And remove with needle nose pliers. Insert new diverter and thread into the diverter housing using a 12mm Allen wrench. Carefully thread diverter housing back into the faucet body and tighten using an adjustable wrench. Connect spray hose back onto diverter housing and tighten with an adjustable wrench. Carefully insert faucet back onto the faucet deck. Insert washers and thread the mounting nuts to secure the faucet. Apply Teflon tape onto the faucet shanks. Attach faucet supply line and tighten with a basin wrench. Before we finish, make sure to turn water supply back on and check for leaks. That's it. You have successfully completed the diverter replacements.